And our Team 10 coverage now continues with NBC 10's Devin Bates. He's live in Providence, where storm preparation is underway. And Devin, I hear they're handing out free salt too.
Yeah, John, there was quite a bit of traffic here on Shipyard Street earlier today. People showing up with their 5-gallon buckets looking to fill up with the city's road salt. There was even a few people I spoke with who were trying to fill up their buckets way after it ended. All this to say people are taking this storm seriously.
Just needed some. I haven't been able to find it in the store, and glad the city has some, but the line is crazy long. I was here for 2.5 hours.
Some Providence residents picking up free salt Saturday feel they still had to pay the price of patience, while others were just happy to have their 5-gallon bucket filled before the snow falls.
The line is really long. I had to wait almost 2 hours, but it was worth it because it's a great help for the community. It's sold out everywhere and it's really expensive. Sometimes it's $25 even for a bag.
I think it's great. I just think that line is ridiculous, but I think this is really good. It's very helpful.
But there was an alternative to waiting in the long line of cars for those willing to ditch the wheels and make the trek on foot.
I came off Eddy Street and I'm walking all the way down. I'm with my roommate, so it took probably 5 minutes of walk. We've been in traffic for about 45 minutes. So.
Providence Councilman Oscar Vargas had been advocating for the city to give away free salt in the wake of last month's storm, and a resolution was ultimately passed at the council's February 5th meeting. He was on site as people filled up their buckets.
We came together at a table with the mayor and my colleagues, and we decided to do it. This is the best we can do for the constituents. We are very sympathetic with people because there's a big need out there. There's a big need for salt, and then so they can help the sidewalk clean.
Now, there was some added incentive for people to pick up their road salt here. This is industrial grade road salt. Can't find this in stores. Coming up, we'll hear from Mayor Brett Smiley about snow preps. We know the city faced some criticism last time around. We'll hear what he has to say. Live in Providence, Devin Bates, NBC 10 News.